Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do some hot, fast 10 minutes T-bone steak. I have these dry brined with kosher salt for about 2 hours now. Let's get out to that pellet grill. It is ready to crank up to 450 degrees. Right about there. All right. Look at the smoke billowing out of this Lone Star Grillz pellet grill. Oh yeah. All right, after a couple hours, you want to pat them dry. You want your steaks dry. You don't want them all wet like that when you put them on the grill. We do want to add some olive oil or canola oil. I'm just spraying some on just so they don't stick to the grill grates. I'm going to do both sides. Just flip them over, give them a nice spray. And all I'm putting on these T-bones is just regular salt and black pepper. We'll do both sides, and we'll get them out to the Lone Star Grillz. I'm going to put them on the lower grate here, side by each. Try to figure out how to make them fit. This one right here in the middle, and we're going to go for 3 minutes, and then we'll give them a flip. All right, first 3 minutes down. We're going to flip these again, or flip these over the first time here. Go 3 minutes. Slide them over a little bit. Okay. Close the lid. 3 minutes. And after the 3 minutes, I'm opening up my sear plate in this Lone Star Grillz, and we're going 30 seconds per side. Look at that. You want to get that flame to jump up and kiss the bottom of your steak. Man. And after about 30 seconds, we're going to flip these. We'll shuffle them around a little bit because the burn pot is in the center there, but that's okay. How tender that is. One little tiny piece fell off. I'll be nibbling on that one. All right, we're going to go another 30 seconds. This is not real time. Look at that. Get that flame to jump up and kiss them. Nothing like flame seared T-bone steak. Take a quick temp check on this. It's hot, even with the gloves. 136. These are ready. All right, let's pull these off. Look at that. Oh, I love T-bones. These off here. We're gonna take them inside. Set them up. All right, here we go. They've rested about 15 minutes. Let's cut into one and see what it looks like. Look at this. Perfect medium rare. Look at that. Under 10 minutes. T-bone steak on a Lone Star pellet grill. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, that tastes awesome. Just a little salt and pepper on your T-bone. Reverse seared. Serve it up with a baked potato. Right there you have an outstanding meal. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit and ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.